Hi, I'm Nancy, pampered with Diamond, and this is Jessica, Blossom Diamond Paint.
Hello.
So, Jessica's here today with me,
Hello.
and we are diamond painting today slash organizing my new setup, which you did a great job, by the way.
Thank you.
And we went to lunch, and then we stopped at the post office, and I got a package. Now, I used to I unboxed in the mystery box the Dreamy Workspace. You remember the one with the ducks?
Yeah,
The one that everybody's going crazy over?
Yep.
Well, I was gonna try to do it, but Jessica and I were talking about it, and we both agreed that it's just too much color blocking for me.
Yeah, no.
And she was like, "You're gonna get bored."
You're,
So,
you're really not gonna like it.
yeah, so I destashed it. I destashed it for this. I traded with somebody. I sure did. Sure did. So I traded it for a mystery that I've been wanting. So I think I'm going to need the big guns. Let's see.
Oh, don't.
And you don't like.
Yeah, don't cut yourself. That would be a bad idea. Oh, I'm excited.
I just don't want to cut the project.
Oh, yeah, that too.
Oh, all right. And let me put this away so I really don't cut myself. Now, I got this from a girl. Her name is Melissa. Thank you, Melissa. This is so wrapped up so nicely. Just when you think you've got there. But wait, there's more. More wrap.
It is very wrapped up.
This reminds me of like Christmas time when you open a package and
yeah.
then you gotta open another package. Oh.
Box inside of a box.
Look. What did she send me? Aw, look. It's a cover minder. That is
awesome.
adorable. Thank you. And she said, "Thank you so much, Nancy." Yep, I gave her a unicorn and she gave me a unicorn. Neither of us really made any money on it. We just did a trade for a trade. And
Ooh.
yep, it's a mystery. It's a mystery. Oh, I don't even think it's open.
No, it does not look like it is.
Oh. Wow. This one is Mystery Kit Nature 25.6 by a 34.3. So, how did she tell what number it was? Oh, okay. Right there. Whoopsie. You can't see it. Hold on. Right here on the side, it says 96. That's one I've been looking for. It's 83 colors total for a total of 91,089 drills.
What did you get into?
I know. I sure did.
I think actually the top.
Yeah, the top looks more open.
Yeah.
I don't want to hit you in the face.
Oh no, you're fine.
So it looks like it might have been open. She opens them like I open them. I leave the plastic on, but I love the colors.
This is a
This is the mystery card. Now, you can show it on your own personal media, but this says just do not show it on Diamond Art Club's VIP group because they're trying to preserve the mystery. So, oh, look, she gave me the Treasure Quest card, and it's a bronze. We all know the bronze are worth bronze, but that's okay.
They're so common.
They are, but that's okay.
Whoa.
So there's the color palette. 83 colors. And it has, it has two 6,000 drills. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ABs.
That is a lot of ABs.
And 2 fairy dust. Oh my gosh. My gosh.
Wow.
This is by Larry Jones.
I was not expecting it to have that many ABs. Though.
Me either. Oh my gosh. Me either. So here is the sleeve that I used for my leftover drills. She could have kept that. I didn't even realize that she put it in there. Okay. Let me move this out of the way. Okay. Spoiler alert, spoiler alert, spoiler alert. If you don't want to see the canvas of number 96 by Larry Jones, look away. You can probably just move on. Go on with your life. All right. But if you want to see the drill colors, then you need to wait. Okay, close your eyes. I'll tell you when you can look.
Ooh.
Now, Jessica has an eye for this.
Yeah.
I do see a bird. I think
it's very
that's a
pretty.
bird. But for the most part, I don't see it. Oh, look at that color palette.
That is gorgeous.
Look at that.
It's so bright.
Oh my goodness gracious. There's a fairy dust.
Ooh. All right, where's the ABs?
There's one right there. There's one there.
Wow.
Look at this. So, is that a fairy dust?
Oh, I see an orange.
Oh, yep. Here's an orange AB. And here's...
That's a really pretty pink.
Oh, yeah. You see... There should be a lot.
Yeah. Not...
There... No. Okay, we're gonna take it out. I can't.
Yeah. There's only so much you can see.
I'm gonna do an inventory probably when I get off of here and put it in a gallon baggie. So this is the colors. You can look again if you want to. We are gonna do the colors. Double bags.
Oh my.
Another double bag. I'm gonna love this. What do you think?
Yeah, I
think you would like this one too.
It's so bright. Working on the mystery kits are a lot of fun.
How many have you worked on?
Right now I'm just working on one right now.
I've worked on 2 total.
I really need to get finished with the one I have.
So is that your first one?
Yeah, and I've had it bagged up for a long time. I'm not gonna say the name of it
Is it a what? It's the water one?
I think.
You're
Yeah,
working on?
yeah. It's really pretty.
Double bagger. Here's another AB. So pretty.
Mm-hmm.
Double bagger.
Oh my. Ooh, there's an orange baby.
Oh, let's do it this way. There's fairy dust. Ooh, it's a blue one.
I love the blue.
Yeah,
fairy
it
dust.
is pretty. Here's another AB. That's really orangey on camera, but it's not that orangey in person. Look at it on the camera. It's a little, it's not as bright in person,
Yeah, no.
but it's still going to be pretty. Here's another AB. Haven't seen the 6,000 colors yet.
Well, this is the smaller amount.
Mm-hmm. Here's another AB, the yellow. Oh, ding, ding, ding. 6,010. This color they felt was missing in the canvas, so they created it. Here's a blue AB.
Ooh.
That. Oh, there's one more strip. Here's the blue AB. And a pink AB. We didn't see that one before.
No. I just saw like the darker one. The darker pink.
Yeah. Nice.
Okay.
I didn't see the other 6,000 number. It's here. We just missed it. That's all. Oh, there it is.
Oh.
6,001.
It's a blue.
It's a blue, and it's pretty. These are not going to fit back in here.
Yeah, good luck with that.
Okay. All right, look away because I'm going to show you the full size of the canvas. You know how I do it. I stand up and hold it. So if you don't want to see it, have a great day. You can click on off. And thank you so much for watching. And thank you, Melissa, for doing this trade with me. Mysteries are so much fun. I just want to say that. If you haven't done a mystery, it requires a lot of concentration, mainly paying special attention to the symbol on the canvas, to the symbol on your containers, and make sure that you are placing the right ones, because you have no idea what you're making and you got to make sure you do it right. So it does take a little bit extra concentration, and you can't just, like, sometimes when you're working on a project, you put the wrong drill on, say, but it's only one or two. Sometimes you're just like, oh, well, because you can't get it out. It's in the middle of squares.
Oh, yeah.
So sometimes we just leave it there, but you can't with the mystery because you don't know what you're creating, so you really can't.
It's very exciting.
It is. All right. Here is the stand-up version. There's a little bit of a, yeah, that looks better. Can you hold the side?
Oh, yeah. Here. We'll do it this way. Maybe this will be... It's so big. and I can see what it is.
Yeah, she can. I mean, I looked at it a while ago and wrote down the numbers of the ones I want. And
Ooh.
I know from what I can see, this is a bird. I think that's a bird.
It's very pretty.
But I don't remember which one it is. But I love mysteries. I like watching it come to life. And I wish every canvas, I wish they were all muted.
Oh, I wish.
You know,
Yeah,
I
definitely.
mean, I don't mind that you can see the picture on the ones that aren't a mystery, but I just
Yeah.
wish the colors were a little more muted so that when you put drills on, it really, really, really pops.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Kind of like what you've shared on your channel with the Jaded Gem Shop ones. They
yeah.
do in negative.
Yeah, it's a negative. I really love it. It's easy to see how the painting is.
But you can't really see the true colors till you place them.
Yeah.
I mean, you
Yeah.
can, but they're very dulled down.
Yes, and I love it.
Yeah. So if you haven't checked out her channel, give them your channel name again, Jessica.
My channel name is Blossom Diamond Painting, and I am Jessica.
Blossom Diamond Painting. And you won't regret it. She is getting ready to do her custom of her dog Piper. And I'm so excited for that one.
I know.
So she's got to finish up one more project and then she can kit that one up. And I hope she does a whip and chat of the kit up and you tell all about the painting when you do it.
Oh,
How you
yes.
got it, what the dog was doing, any kind of information. I mean,
you hear me all the time on my channel talk about my dog. She's very a part of my life.
oh, and she should be. She's a dog. I mean, we don't get dogs to just forget about them.
Oh.
They become part of us. Like my Milo.
Mm.
You've seen me do shorts. He's got a personality, let me tell you. So, and she knows.
Yeah.
Piper.
Yeah.
Oh, the two of them together are hilarious. All of a sudden, they become the most needy dogs in America when they're together. So it is so funny, but they get along fabulously, and we're so happy about that because we can get together more often, knowing our dogs can get together. So, all right, everyone, have a great day, and don't forget to be kind. Bye.
Bye.